So some tips for a full body functional movement that is going to stretch your hamstrings, it's gonna warm your body up. This is the inchworm. So I like to start inchworms standing up straight, and you're gonna go with the forward folds first. So you're gonna lean down, hands touch. This is where most people struggle, at least to begin, because hamstring flexibility is so difficult for a lot of people. So bend your knees a little bit, that's okay. As you come down, you can bend a little bit. Ideally, you want to get to the place where you can bend straight down, walk out to a push-up position, walk your feet back in, all the way to your hands, and keep the movement going. Okay, so going through it. A couple things you can do here. You can stand up in the middle of it to get your heart rate up a little bit more. You can also add in a push-up. So this is what a push-up would look like. So you're coming down, walking it out, just push up, back, and stand. And the faster you go, obviously, the higher your heart rate will get. Up, down. Okay, those are inchworms.